What's up, everyone? This is the video for this Nintendo Switch. Looking for top spot, gets to go home with it. We are live at 6:16, just switched over. We got the list here, 10 entries. Pete on the top, Roy on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 10 times. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. You got Roy on the top. Must go, what did I say? It was 10? Yeah. Must go 10 times. Good luck at 617. 617. Last and final roll. Top spot gets the Switch. Congratulations goes to spot 6, Roy. Congratulations, Roy. Send me a PM and I'll get this out to you as soon as possible. We are done at 617. 617. Congratulations, Roy. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.